Welcome to Finance's Money Matters, the podcast where we talk about all things related to finance and investment. In this episode, we will share with you 7 tips to help you improve your financial literacy and skills, whether you are new to the world of money or want to level up your game. We will cover topics such as how to let go of your limiting beliefs about money and adopt a positive and empowering mindset, how to take ownership of your money and make it work for you by setting a realistic budget, tracking your income and expenses, paying yourself first, saving for emergencies, and investing for the future. How to set a timeline for your money goals using the SMART framework. How to build an emergency fund that can help you avoid debt, dip into your savings, or miss out on investment opportunities. How to create a diverse portfolio of investments that can reduce your risk and increase your returns. How to make smart investments as a beginner by opening an investment account, deciding how much to invest, picking an investment strategy, understanding your investment options, and monitoring your portfolio. And the last one, how to learn from the experts by following financial advisors, authors, bloggers, podcasters, and influencers who can provide you with information, advice, inspiration, and stories on various aspects of finance and investment. Thank you for listening to The Finances. Money Matters, we will elaborate more on each point for the financial tips mentioned just now, and we hope you learned something valuable today. See you in the next episode.